Trader Joe's bubble tea, pumpkin, and oat milk. So I got the Insta Boba Kit from Trader Joe's, and then I also got the pumpkin spice oat milk, and I bought this because I wanted to buy this, and I bought this because I was curious, and I loved this. And then I was like, wait, but what if we... And then what do we get? This amazing drink right here. Trader Joe's bubble tea, pumpkin, and oat milk. What kind of girl can I ask for? So all you need is a glass, a bowl, and some ice. Here's the boba kit, and here's the beverage option I chose. Wanted to do pumpkin to stick to the theme. It came with 4 boba pouches and 4 straws also. So I used some hot water, left it around for a minute or 2 until it was squishy and fully thawed out. So I poured that in the cup, and then I dropped a few ice cubes in. I poured the oat milk, and that's about it. I love how I poured this. I'm going to show it to you one more time because my pour was on it. Look at that. Reverse. Let me stop. But that's about it. Took me only about less than 5 minutes. Easy, simple, and cheap. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I do, because I'm drinking this now. It's so good. I hope you enjoy, and you should try it out. It's really cheap. It's actually a good money saver because bubble tea is kind of expensive. It's like some places are $6, some places are $5, some places are more. But it's a cheaper alternative, and you don't have to actually go outside. And who doesn't love that? I really need to talk, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and there'll be more.